In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom watermark in TradingView. So to do this, we're going to use an indicator. You want to open your chart, then you want to go to the top here and click on indicators. What you want to look for is watermark. So just type in watermark, and then from here you can see community, and there's going to be a bunch of different ones. Of course, you can use whichever one you want. I'm just going to click on this one, which is from TradingView itself, okay? So I'm going to click on over here, and of course, this watermark indicator is going to get added onto your chart. Now, by default, you'll see it's going to be down here at the bottom left, but of course, you can customize it however you want. So go to the top left here where you can see the indicator and click on the settings button. Here, you want to go to inputs, and this is where you can basically put on your custom watermark. So I'm going to remove this second text, and we're just going to play with the first one, and we're going to type on instant how to. And as you can see, whenever I do this, it's going to pop down here at the bottom left. However, that's not what I want. Of course, you can put it wherever you want. I'm just going to put it at the very center here of my screen. So I'm going to move this so we can actually see the changes in real time, and I'm going to change size to, for example, huge over here, and then I'm going to have it at the middle and then center, okay? This is going to put it here at the middle, but as you can see, currently it's kind of cut out. It's not my full name over here, so I'm going to change the height and the width. So this is kind of the height and the width of the information box. I'm just going to change this to 100 and 100, so it makes it very big, and you'll see by default it's going to look a bit weird because it has a background, but I'm just going to change it to, I'm basically going to put 0 opacity on here so it doesn't have a background, and there we go. This already is a custom watermark. Of course, I can change the text color over here to whatever I prefer. I'm just going to leave it like light blue over here, or actually let's just make it white so you can see better. There we go, and now this is essentially where you can customize that. Of course, you can then go to style over here and visibility as well, but that's essentially how you do this. That's how you put on a custom watermark in TradingView, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.